Welcome to La Vanille Nature Park, one of Mauritius' most fascinating wildlife attractions. Located in the lush south of the island, this beautiful nature reserve is home to some of the world's most incredible animals and plants. Originally opened in 1985 as La Vanille Crocodile Park, the park has grown into a major conservation center dedicated to protecting endangered wildlife while educating visitors from around the world. Another unforgettable experience is the Nile crocodile enclosure. The park is home to so many crocodiles, and watching these powerful reptiles in their habitat is both exciting and educational. During feeding sessions, visitors can witness the incredible strength and speed of these ancient predators. One of the most unforgettable experiences at La Vanille Nature Park is meeting the magnificent Aldabra giant tortoises. These gentle giants are among the largest tortoise species on Earth and are native to the Aldabra atoll in the Seychelles, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. La Vanille Nature Park is home to more than 1,000 Aldabra giant tortoises, making it one of the largest collections of these remarkable animals outside their natural habitat. An adult Aldabra giant tortoise can weigh up to 250 kilograms and grow to over 1.2 meters, 4 feet, in length. Despite their enormous size, they are peaceful herbivores, feeding mainly on grasses, leaves, fruits, and other vegetation. These incredible reptiles are famous for their exceptionally long lives. Many live for more than 100 years, and some are believed to reach 150 years, or even longer, under ideal conditions. Unlike many animals, giant tortoises move slowly and conserve energy, an adaptation that helps them survive in harsh island environments where food can sometimes be scarce. Visitors to La Vanille Nature Park have the rare opportunity to walk among these gentle giants, observe their natural behavior, and even feed them under staff supervision. It's an unforgettable experience for visitors of all ages. The park also plays an important role in the conservation and breeding of Aldabra giant tortoises, helping protect one of the world's most iconic reptile species for future generations. Standing beside these ancient giants is like stepping back in time. They have roamed the earth for millions of years, surviving dramatic changes that wiped out countless other species, making them true living legends of the animal kingdom. One of the first things you'll notice at La Vanille Nature Park is its beautiful tropical forest. The park is covered with lush greenery, creating a peaceful and natural environment that is home to many different species of wildlife. As you walk along the shaded pathways, you'll see towering palm trees, giant bamboo, and a variety of native and exotic tropical plants. As you continue exploring Vanille Nature Park, you'll come across one of its most peaceful attractions, the beautiful koi fish pond. One of the most charming animals you'll encounter at Vanille Nature Park is the lemur. These playful primates are native to the island of Madagascar, located just east of Mauritius. Although they are not native to Mauritius, they are cared for here as part of the park's educational and conservation programs. Watching lemurs leap effortlessly from branch to branch is a memorable experience for visitors of all ages. Their playful personalities and curious nature make them one of the park's most beloved attractions. Vanille Nature Park is also home to many other fascinating animals, including fish, iguanas, monkeys, giant fruit bats, deer, turtles, geckos, and chameleons. Every corner of the park offers a chance to discover another unique species. Beyond being a tourist attraction, Vanille Nature Park plays an important role in wildlife conservation, breeding endangered species, and raising awareness about protecting nature for future generations. Whether you're an animal lover, a photographer, or simply exploring the natural beauty of Mauritius, Vanille Nature Park offers an unforgettable experience that combines adventure, education, and conservation in one remarkable destination. Step inside the park's Insectarium and discover an incredible collection of butterflies, beetles, stick insects, praying mantises, and many other fascinating species from Mauritius and around the world. Their remarkable colors, shapes, and patterns showcase the amazing diversity of the insect world. If you're planning a trip to Mauritius, this remarkable nature park is definitely worth adding to your itinerary. It's an unforgettable experience for families, wildlife lovers, photographers, and anyone who appreciates the wonders of the natural world. Thank you so much for watching this journey with us. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure.